See, this is an annual academic exhibition, and I took complete round of the entire exhibition, and of course the topic was transformation, and the way the children had presented. There was one thing which I was wondering throughout while I was going through I was watching every stall. How can the children even imagine and think and project things which they have not even seen? They were not even in those ages. They were not even in that era. And the way they presented, transformation in farming, agriculture, music, dance, or even in technology. I understand technology has been very close to them because they're born in a technology era. But how can they present the music, the dance, and other things which they have never even seen? Maybe they've just read and they have observed, or maybe they have seen in the movies. But it was a very intellectual exhibition, I must say.
Good morning, Mom.
Good morning.
Mom, what is one thing that you like the most about the innovation?
See, the best part was the performances. First of all, I really like the performances, and the ideas children are bringing are amazing. Because when I was in class 5th, तब ये start हुआ था technocraft होना हमारे school में. Now it's named as innovation. The ideas are increasing better day by day, year by year. हर साल आ रही हूँ मैं तो, and they are totally.
So, what is the one thing that you like the most about the program?
Tough to say anything particular. I really like the innovation and the creativity which has been shown by the students. I really like the opportunity which has been given to students so that they can showcase their talent. Really enjoyed it.
It was a wonderful event. I really enjoyed being in the academic exhibition today. Innovation is the name, and even the name is quite innovative. Innovation. I really enjoyed being here. Went to all the stalls. Basically, what I have got to know from the stalls and from the children, that it was about how the things were, whether it is economy or agriculture or art and craft, technology, what it was, long time back. And now how the changes have come. So basically the children had made different projects and models on this. It was a good learning experience from me as well, and students were really confident, giving answers. Even I saw parents asking questions from the children, and children were wonderfully answering it.
I think first of all how they are expressing themselves. Okay, so communication is key, and it will help them a lot in their future aspiration, especially in the competitive exams or in the higher education. It is a key to communicate yourself, and also when you are able to express yourself diligently, then you can, whatever you are thinking, you can able to transcript to the other people. Right?
Innovation is organized by the classes from 3 to 8. It was very well organized, and the theme was taken from 1930s to the present age, and there were various areas where they have showed their performances, and performance was also too great by the students.
मैम, आपको आज के इस कार्निवल के बारे में सबसे अच्छा पार्ट क्या लगा?
मुझे सबसे अच्छा लगा कि जो बच्चों ने इतनी सारी क्रिएशन करा था, इतनी एक्टिविटी करी, हार्ड वर्क करा. आई रियली लव्ड इट, एंड ऑल्सो लाइक इट डांसिंग, सिंगिंग एंड टू मच लव. बहुत अच्छा लगा. ऑल द बेस्ट सारे बच्चों के लिए. गॉड ब्लेस यू चिल्ड्रन.
आपको मैं प्रोग्राम की सबसे अच्छी चीज क्या लगी?
सभी बच्चों ने बहुत मिलजुल करके पार्टिसिपेट किया, तो ये मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा.
Mom, did you like the programs?
Definitely, I always love to watch the programs of DP Sindhanagar, and really DP Sindhanagar is doing a lot of efforts. Parents, teachers, students, everyone is coordinating, and excellent program, excellent coordination.
And dance program. My daughter Vani Bajaj Jaffer was performing, so very nice. So I enjoyed a lot.
Yes, very well organized, and each and every one.
Mom, did you enjoy the program?
Yeah, very very nice, very well organized, and it was nice to see kids doing efforts for their performances, and I really enjoyed this program.
Mom,
We saw the children showcasing their creativity, their strength, and their ideas. They gave a shape to their ideas, which was just beautiful. And the way they spoke, their confidence was quite visible. Explicitly, they explained everything what they had made, what they had created, and what and how they would help India to become a superpower.